Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. It's going to be a fast unboxing. I'm in the kitchen. Some crackers over here. Some apples. And the AD10. Try to get this quick. Midway, USA. Awesome. AD10. It's a big box with another AD10 in it. Limited edition. Cold steel anytime, anywhere. Let's check it out. It's a little sticker. Alright. It's a little heavier than this one. Limited editions. Demco AD10 titanium. I think they're making 1,000 of these. This is number 171. Cool. Might be a little. Oh, tiny bit heavier than the G10 version. Some nice titanium handles on there. Might be a little tiny bit thinner. Doesn't have the liners. Very cool. Very cool. It says CPM 3V. These handles feel good. I like the titanium. Let's give it a first flick. Yeah. Nice looking blade on that. Similar to the S35. A little bit shinier. Grind's a little shinier. Grind's a little less shiny. 3V grind's a little more shiny. 8010. Nice. Feels good in the hand. This feels good in the hand too. Yeah. Sweet. Titanium handles feel good. Baby's playing with his lawnmower over there. Yeah, these are sweet. And Midway USA had these discounted pretty nicely. I grabbed it. Awesome. Alright. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. I'm going to go check this out. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.